It's such a beautiful day today. I barely got any sleep last night. Well, you better not sleep. I won't. How the passenger doing? You're doing good. Good. Hello. Holy crap. Hello. I forgot you were behind us. You idiot. I forgot you were here too. Hello. Why, hello there. Simp. What did you just call me? We all know you like Sarah. Or, not me. Jessica. 3967? Yes. Did you guys know? You make it way too obvious. I agree. Like, way too obvious. Dummy. Oh. Dang. Gabe? Gabe? Oh no. He fell asleep. He what? Uh-oh. We are accelerating. Gabe, wake up, dum-dum. Wake up, stupid. We're pushing the curve. Jump! What? What the fuck? Ah! Ow! Jesus! Oh, holy Lord! My coupling broke. Gabe, are you okay? Oh no. Oh my Lord. He's knocked out. We gotta get some help. I'll go and get the crane. Oh my God. A few days later. Oh. What on earth happened? Well, your dumb self fell asleep. Well, I barely slept last night. It's not an excuse for literally falling asleep and almost killing me, your crew. Oh God, is my crew okay? They're fine. Oh my God. They jumped out. Thank Lord. And they lost for that. Happy, nope. Was anyone seriously injured? Nope. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Well, except you. You're badly beaten up. Oh dear. Great. Just great. You should be up and running in a few days. Yeah. Just glad you're okay. Me too. You could have gotten us and possibly yourself killed. I know, driver. I'm sorry. It's okay, bro. It's okay. I forgive you. I'm glad nobody was seriously injured. We all are. We all are.